Did you know that if you add 1 pack of unwashed chicken thighs to a crock pot, a jar of the best salsa in the nation, 2 cups of rinsed, uncooked white rice, always white rice, never brown, 3 to 4 cups of bone broth or chicken broth right in there for some more protein, 1 can of beans and 1 can of corn, give it a really good mix and cook it on high for 4 hours. Then in only 5 minutes of prep time, you just made one of the easiest, cleanest, and best tasting crock pot salsa chicken recipes. It's super creamy and soft, great for feeding the whole family or for meal prep to pack on muscle. Follow me for more recipes and tips to pack on muscle.